Hello, Professor Nuria. This is Caitlin, and I want to share with you my presentation. This is my activity number 2, my video to teach a difficult sounds in English for a Spanish speaker. Okay, so let's see my students' information and profile. It is a general English classroom, 6th grade, of a private school with 20 students, 11 girls and 9 boys. They are all about 11 years old. Their native language is Spanish. Regarding their language background, they come from a beginning English level A1. Well, now I want to tell you the reasons why I decide to focusing on these two vowel sounds. Well, many non-native English speakers can't always hear the difference between E and E. Spanish language does not have, that the distinction between short and long vowels. It is important to learn the different mouth position for vowel sounds, and focusing on the differences help the students to improve their pronunciation. And my focus always is to make this learning process better for my students, and of course I want they can speak English very well and improve every day with the classes. Well, let's begin the class. But before begin the class, I just want to let you know the objectives and the outcomes. As you can see, my objective is recognize and practice the differences between two vowel sounds. And the outcomes, by the end of the lesson, students will be producing these two sounds more accurately and fluently. Now, let's begin the class. Okay, dear students, now we are going to check two difference very important in English. So we're gonna check two vowel sounds. Let's begin with the first one. Sometimes we have some words with those sounds and we don't know how to pronounce very good. So let's check this vowel sound, E. For its sounds, the lips are spread very wide and tensed. For the E sounds, the mouth is very open. As you can see in the picture, let's just check the picture here. So the mouth is very open and very little, and the tongue is raised very high. So we need to practice this, but let's continue and we make some practice later, okay? Now, sound. For the sound, the lips are spread less and relaxing. As you can see, we don't need to smile too much. We just need to relax our mouth. The mouth is open a little bit more and the tongue is raised slightly lower, okay? So as you can see in the picture, we're gonna try not to smile, just doing like jump down a little. Okay, so let's continue. Let's see some examples, and those examples will help you to improve your pronunciation and to get better. The best way to practice is making those sounds in words first. So, how can you pronounce this word? Okay, this will be it. And versus this one, which is eat. So, We have big difference here, so we need to pay attention. Please focusing on this. Eat, to have a meal. It, a pronoun used to talk about anything. To say the word eat, smile, and keep your lips tensed. Make the vowel long. Eat, eat. To say the word it, relax and open your lips lightly. Make the vowel short. It, it, it. Let's see more examples. Now, let's check how does it work with sentences. We have a sentence here. Eat the cake. Eat the cake. Now, let's check this sentence. It is delicious, or it's delicious. Can you see the differences? Yeah, we need to be very careful with this part of the vowels. We need to pay attention, okay? Let's do it one more time. Eat a cake. We need to smile and keep our lips tensed. Remember, make the vowel long. Now, we're gonna make the other sound, which is it. So, to say the word and to say the sentence, it's delicious. Relax and open your lips. And remember, make the vowel short. Yep. Let's continue now. Now is your turn. So let's practice. Now say these words with E. Please listen and repeat after me. See, me, eat, team, we, this. Now say these words with the other vowel sounds, which are or which is So, his, him, will, bit, is, fit. Okay. I can imagine that you are getting better. Let's move on. So, remember that we need to practice this kind of activities or this kind of exercises to get better in English. So, I just have a homework for you. I need you to complete this worksheet by going to this link, or another option is that you can check your email and do this activity. I just sent to your emails. So make sure to keep in your mind the differences between two vowel sounds and try to practice and practice. Of course, if you have questions and you need some help with this, you can email me anytime, and you also can just leave a message or whatever you want. Okay, I will be waiting for your questions. Okay, so thank you for attending this class, and we are all set and all done. See you in the next activity and the next lesson. Bye.